back at it again, but this time we're doing the chest angle. And we're going to be replacing the valve cover gaskets on this 4.6. This is a 2002 Ford Crown Victoria, and there's not a lot of videos, even on A1 Auto, not to call them out or anything, but they don't show how to get this very back bolt here. And a lot of people just got to remove this evap core and got to remove the heater hose, all this jack. And I'm like, nah. I don't even think I'll have to remove the upper heater core hose. But I made sure the engine's nice and warm because it's cold out today. Want to replace all these little grommets. They're going to be red. So it's going to be burnt orange and then red grommets. And then you're going to see the red gasket sticking through. It's going to look sick. Well, let's give this a shot at least. Because I got no worky lube room right there. I need to get this harness out of the way. This thing is irritating me. You just gotta go rough, buddy. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it just falls right back down. Getting it on there is like the biggest trick, I swear. Dude, it's like so close. I swear. My hand is covered in grease. Oh, it's down there. Yes. Yes. Do you have more extension, my boy? I literally felt it break free. Oh man, that's pretty toasty. So a good wobbly and, you know, maybe 6 to a foot, 6 inches to 12 inches of extension and a good 8 mil. And this puppy is coming out. Now before I pull this, I'm actually gonna stick something under the engine bay just in case these do drop. I'm not really gonna go far and easily identify it. Fully out. I'm sure you can hit it from this angle. All right. That puppy is out. All right, let's work on the rest of them. Okay, so I've got the intake removed and whatnot. Probably gonna plug that back up, but what I'm gonna do is spray this down real quick, just a light spray, just to make sure no debris falls into the head while I'm removing the valve cover.
Is that why you have that?
The orange spray?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
It's
dude.
gonna match this color.
That's gonna look nuts.
That's what I'm saying.
I didn't realize we were spray painting the head gaskets too. It's gonna look so far.
There it goes. Oh gosh. Fuff and duff. Good lord. I guess you just gotta really work this stupid thing. Now let's do the other side.
In the truck getting ready to leave and you just came up next to my window and like slammed on the side of it. That is like some crackhead.
Scared the hell out of you.
Yeah.
Okay, this is now out of the way. This valve cover theoretically should come up a lot easier. And then these guys is real hard to screw those up. We know where these go. That's out of the way. And I can pull this out. Humphrey, Dumphrey, Dumphrey, Dumphrey.
Can you disconnect that from there at all?
Nah, it's I can, but I don't want to. Mess that up. Oh, fluff. Heck yeah, dude. Look at that. Hold on. Watch out, watch out.
That's easy.
Yeah, still gotta get the back portion out.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at that, look at that. I want my MTV. Yeah, pull that. There's that side. See if I can just get it over the girdle, because fuck. Yeah, I literally cannot get it over the girdle because of this fucking wiring. So, everybody complains about the passenger rear, very back there, that one right there. That little bolt's not that bad to get to. You don't need to remove this heater core housing at all. It's just an extension, wobbly, 8mm, done. The one thing I do have a problem with, though, is the driver's side. So you got plenty of room up here in the front. No joke, even the wiring harness is out of the way pretty easily. It's back here. Let me get this in a good spot. So, literally, this big old 1.5-inch wiring loom, you gotta disconnect some things over here, disconnect your whole, coil and injector plugins, and then I took this little guy off of this bracket here on the brake booster. I'm gonna keep that alone. And then it's just getting this harness back far enough and then getting it over this, like the back end of this girdle here. It's just so frustrating. And getting it back in is probably gonna be my favorite deal because we just painted the valve covers. So it's gonna be super beat up right here. Also bent the crap out of this wiper motor bracket. Which is really dumb to have that there. Guys couldn't move the wiper bracket. Guys couldn't move the wiper motor, over here or something. Where there's room. Nah, it's too much work. Alrighty, so we got the valve covers off and the heads covered, and then valve covers right there. I just finished cleaning them. I'm gonna hit them with the wire brush, and then John's doing the grommets for the valve covers. The grommets are a little bit different, but they should be, they should seal just fine. So, all right, so here's the hot box for the valve covers. They're looking pretty swank, not gonna lie. So these are just about ready for us to start touching them and handling them. It should be another 20 minutes at the max. We'll painstakingly try to get this driver one on first because it's the worst one. Okay, here it is, all said and done. All tucked in there and painted. Now we just gotta get all the wiring hooked back up.